Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews to help you make smart buying decisions. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Amazon Basics 3-ring binder with durable 1-inch D-ring and clear overlay for storage and organization. This is hands down the best 1-inch white binder with a clear cover on the market, and in this review, we'll show you why. First off, let's talk about its build quality. The Amazon Basics 3-ring binder is made from durable plastic, providing a solid structure that ensures your documents stay secure. The 1-inch D-rings are sturdy and keep your papers neatly in place, reducing the chances of documents slipping or getting crumpled. This is especially helpful if you're someone who needs to keep important papers organized, whether you're a student, professional, or just someone trying to stay on top of your paperwork at home. One of the standout features of this binder is its size. While it may look compact, it has the capacity to hold up to 225 sheets. That's right, 225 sheets in a 1-inch binder, offering ample space for your documents without making the binder bulky. You can fit a significant amount of paperwork in this binder, but it still remains small enough to fit easily in a backpack, briefcase, or a drawer at your desk. Another feature that sets this binder apart is the clear overlay. You'll find that this makes the binder incredibly versatile for personalizing your organization system. Whether you want to slide a label on the spine or add a cover page, the clear overlay allows you to easily slip in your own design. This makes it ideal for both professional settings and home use, as you can label and identify your binders at a glance. If you've ever struggled with finding a place for loose sheets or unpunched documents, you'll appreciate the 2 interior pockets that come with this binder. These pockets provide additional storage for papers that don't fit neatly in the rings. Whether it's receipts, notes, or other miscellaneous documents, these pockets offer a quick and easy way to keep everything in one place. Now, let's talk about value. This binder comes in a pack of 4, which is perfect for anyone who needs multiple binders for school, work, or home organization. At around $19, that means you're getting each binder for just under $5. Considering the quality and durability, this is a great price for what you're getting. Overall, the Amazon Basics 3-ring binder is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to organize their documents effectively and affordably. It combines durability, convenience, and a sleek, professional design. Whether you need a binder for work, school, or home organization, this is the perfect solution. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, affordable, and high-quality binder, look no further than the Amazon Basics 3-ring binder. Make sure to check out the link in the description to grab your pack today. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.